Let's start with a simple question. Who can tell me what does our brain do?
Brain Awareness Week is a set of activities with the ultimate goal to reach out to younger students and kids to let them know more about the brain.
So, can you catch the ball? It's difficult, yes.
Brain Awareness Week is really an international event that was started by the Dana Foundation. And really what our chapter of the Society of Neuroscience has been doing for the past couple of years. First, we've had school outreach trips for homeschool kids. We also invite them to the medical campus for a day. We'll have the Brain Tricks presentation, which they'll learn about the senses.
We did a taste test, and you got a piece of paper and you put it on your tongue, and whoever could taste it was a super taste tester, and whoever couldn't taste it was just like a normal taster. And then we also did a jelly bean test. It's where you plug your nose and you put a jelly bean in your mouth, and then you chew it, and it's like you can't taste anything, but when you unplug your nose, then you can taste it.
We'll also do a sheep brain dissection where we'll actually have actual sheep brains to give the kids, and basically they'll get to explore some of the anatomy of that through dissection. And then we'll also have a brain art class for the younger students where they'll be able to make their own neurons out of craft materials as well as paper brain hats.
So we're learning about how the brain works and the different parts of the brain and how the brain transmits to the body.
The long-term hope really is that some of these kids will be inspired to pursue their budding interest in neuroscience, and maybe to explore more facets of neuroscience in high school and college and beyond.